It is astonishing for a mutton-bird that lives in Pacific in Australia with its journey of over 15,500 miles in the shape of figure 8. We need to acknowledge that there is highly complicated instruction for a journey of this kind have to be contained in the bird's nervous cell. These are most definitely programmed, and Allah is the programmer. Allah says in Surah Al-Mulk, Quran 67 verse 19, أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى طَيْرِ فَوْقَهُمْ صَافَّاتٍ وَيَقْبِضْنَ مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا الرَّحْمَنُ إِنَّهُ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ بَصِيرٌ. Have they not looked at the birds above them, spreading their wings out and folding them? None can hold them up in His power except the beneficent, that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Some people may be saying it is just bird, but there is what we need to reflect upon in it. Just like plane, the bird can also travel far and still comes back to its place of departure. Recently, a female falcon bird was equipped with a GPS tracker during its journey from South Africa to Finland, covering about 280 kilometers per day. It walked in a straight line across the African lands, as you can see in the picture, until it reached the desert in the north, then headed toward the path of the Nile River, over Sudan and Egypt, then avoided flying over the Mediterranean Sea. It crossed over Syria and Lebanon, and also avoided flying over the Black Sea, because if it got thirsty, it would not be able to drink it. It continued in a straight line and reached Finland after 42 days. How could that be possible? It is indeed only the existence of a migratory program in the genetic code of birds that can account for the extremely long and complicated journeys which very young birds, without any prior experience and without any guide, are able to accomplish, in addition to return to their departure point on a prescribed date. There is a reason for all the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, all animals, and there are lessons we need to learn and reflect on. The scientists are doing a great job in order to research the animal kingdom, to bring out the features of all these animals and the power that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inserts in them. May Allah continue to increase us in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.